The last transmission from the Kepler Observatory arrived 17 minutes after the facility had already been consumed by a sphere of absolute darkness, a darkness so complete it seemed to devour light itself, leaving no trace, no echo, no whisper of what had once been humanity's most ambitious attempt to pierce the cosmic veil. In the depths of space, where time moves like honey through the void, something watches, something vast and incomprehensible, older than the first star that dared to ignite in the primordial black. The universe holds its breath, and in that silence, mysteries unfold like origami made from the fabric of reality itself. The Fermi paradox taunts us with its cruel mathematics. In a galaxy containing 400 billion stars, across 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution, where are they? The civilizations that should carpet every corner of the Milky Way like luminous moss on the bark of an ancient tree. The answer lurks in the spaces between spaces, in dimensions that fold upon themselves like prayers whispered in languages that predate matter. Radio waves from Proxima Centauri carry messages that arrive exactly 4.24 years after they were sent, yet the timestamps embedded in their quantum signatures suggest they originated from a time that has not yet come to pass. Causality bends like light around a black hole, and the universe laughs at our linear understanding of existence. The cosmic microwave background radiation, that ancient echo of creation's first cry, contains patterns that should not exist. Hidden within its seemingly random fluctuations lie mathematical sequences that mirror the neural pathways of human consciousness, as if the universe itself dreamed us into existence before the first atom learned to dance. Deep space observatories detect gravitational waves that pulse with the rhythm of a heartbeat, emanating from regions of space that contain nothing, no stars, no planets, no matter of any kind. Yet something throbs there in the emptiness, something that beats with the persistence of life itself, marking time in a cosmic body we cannot see or comprehend. The WOW! Signal, 72 seconds of impossible mathematics, broadcast from the constellation Sagittarius in 1977, was not alone. Hidden in archived data, researchers have discovered its siblings, identical transmissions from 71 other star systems, all arriving simultaneously despite originating from distances that would require millions of years for coordination. The universe speaks in unison, and we are only now learning to hear its voice. Quantum entanglement operates instantaneously across galactic distances, suggesting that space itself might be an illusion, a trick of perception performed by a universe that exists as a single, unified consciousness. Every particle that has ever existed remains connected to every other, weaving an invisible web of cause and effect that spans from the birth of reality to its ultimate fate. In the most distant observable galaxies, astronomers have discovered structures that cannot exist according to our understanding of physics. Bridges of matter spanning impossible distances, forming geometric patterns that suggest intelligence on a scale that dwarfs comprehension. These cosmic architectures pulse with energy signatures that match no known natural phenomenon, as if someone or something has been reshaping the universe's skeleton for purposes beyond imagination. The Great Attractor pulls our local group of galaxies toward itself with inexorable gravity. Yet it remains hidden behind the plane of the Milky Way like a cosmic puppeteer working from behind a curtain. What lies there in that gravitational shadow may be the universe's greatest secret, a structure so massive, so fundamental to reality's architecture, that its revelation would rewrite every equation we have ever trusted. Dark matter comprises 85% of all matter in existence, yet it interacts with nothing we can perceive except through its gravitational influence. It is the universe's ghost, omnipresent, invisible, shaping everything while revealing nothing. But recent observations suggest dark matter is not merely passive. It forms patterns, structures, networks that span galactic clusters like neurons in an impossibly vast brain. The expansion of the universe accelerates not because of dark energy pushing space apart, but because something outside our reality is pulling it outward. The cosmos stretches toward boundaries that exist beyond our three-dimensional understanding, reaching toward destinations in hyperspace where the rules of existence differ from our own. Time crystal structures that repeat in time rather than space-dilate, the second law of thermodynamics, and suggests that the universe contains regions where entropy flows backward. These temporal anomalies occur naturally in certain stellar phenomena, creating pockets of space-time where cause follows effect and the future determines the past. The cosmic web, that vast network of dark matter filaments connecting every galaxy, pulses with information. Data flows along these invisible highways at speeds that transcend light, carrying messages between distant civilizations that communicate through manipulation of space-time itself. We have been swimming in an ocean of alien discourse without recognizing the medium of exchange. Ancient light from the universe's earliest epochs reveals that the fundamental constants of physics have been slowly changing over cosmic time. The speed of light decreases imperceptibly with each passing eon, gravity weakens by infinitesimal amounts, and the fine structure constant drifts like a cosmic instrument slowly falling out of tune. Reality itself is evolving, transforming into something our current physics cannot predict or describe. Fast radio bursts arrive from extragalactic distances, carrying energy equivalent to the Sun's total output for an entire year. Compressed into milliseconds, these cosmic shouts originate from sources that appear and vanish without trace, leaving only their brief, brilliant proclamations echoing across the void. They speak in the mathematical language of prime numbers and transcendental constants, as if the universe itself is trying to establish communication through pure mathematical truth. The observable universe extends 46.5 billion light-years in every direction, yet the total universe may be infinite. Beyond our cosmic horizon lies an endless expanse of space and time where the laws of physics may operate according to entirely different principles. Somewhere in that infinite wilderness, every possible reality exists: universes where consciousness preceded matter, where time flows backward, where the speed of light is measured in emotions rather than meters per second. Black holes consume matter and energy, yet they emit Hawking radiation that contains information about everything they have devoured. This creates the information paradox, a fundamental contradiction that suggests either general relativity or quantum mechanics is incomplete. The resolution may require acknowledging that black holes are not endpoints, but doorways, connecting our universe to others through passages that exist outside conventional spacetime. The vacuum of space seethes with virtual particles that pop into existence and annihilate each other in timeframes too brief for direct observation. Yet these quantum fluctuations exert measurable forces on physical objects, proving that nothingness itself is alive with potentiality. Empty space is not empty, it is pregnant with infinite possibilities, each seeking the opportunity to become real. Cosmic rays arrive from all directions with energies that exceed anything our planet could produce, yet their sources remain mysterious. The highest energy particles in the universe carry more kinetic energy than a baseball thrown at 90 miles per hour, compressed into spaces smaller than atoms. These cosmic bullets have traveled for millions of years across intergalactic space, carrying with them the signatures of phenomena so violent they challenge our understanding of what the universe can achieve. The cosmic microwave background reveals that the early universe was incredibly uniform, yet galaxy formation requires initial density fluctuations to seed gravitational collapse. This smoothness problem suggests that cosmic inflation, a period of exponential expansion, stretched quantum uncertainties to astronomical scales. Reality began as a quantum fluctuation that learned to become infinite. Strange matter composed of up, down, and strange quarks may be more stable than normal matter. If it exists, a single strange quark could convert all ordinary matter it touches into strange matter through a chain reaction that would propagate at nearly the speed of light. The universe might be one strange matter conversion away from complete transformation, yet we observe no evidence of such cosmic catastrophes, suggesting that something prevents this ultimate phase transition. Magnetars generate magnetic fields a trillion times stronger than Earth's, warping space-time and converting matter into exotic forms that should not exist. These stellar remnants demonstrate that the universe can achieve extremes that border on the impossible, creating conditions where the normal rules of physics surrender to forces beyond current understanding. The anthropic principle suggests that the universe's fundamental constants are precisely tuned to allow the existence of complexity and consciousness. If any of dozens of physical parameters differed by tiny amounts, stars could not form, atoms could not exist, or space-time itself would collapse before life could emerge. This fine-tuning implies either incredible luck or intentional design by agencies whose nature remains utterly mysterious. Parallel dimensions may intersect with our universe at quantum scales, creating interference patterns that influence the behavior of fundamental particles. What we interpret as quantum uncertainty might actually be the gravitational shadows cast by alternate realities. Pressing against the boundaries of our own, every quantum measurement could be a vote taken across infinite versions of reality. The cosmic neutrino background permeates all of space, carrying information from the universe's first few seconds when matter and antimatter annihilated each other in cosmic fury. These ghostly particles pass through our bodies by the trillions every second, yet they interact so weakly with matter that they might as well exist in a parallel dimension. They are messengers from creation's dawn, bringing news of mysteries we lack the technology to decode. Gamma-ray bursts release more energy in 10 seconds than the sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. These cosmic explosions can be detected from distances so vast that their light began traveling toward us before the solar system existed. They illuminate the universe's capacity for violence on scales that humble our planet's most catastrophic natural disasters. The cosmic web's dark matter scaffolding follows mathematical patterns identical to those found in neural networks and mycelial fungi. The universe organizes itself according to principles that mirror biological intelligence, suggesting that consciousness and cosmos share fundamental structural similarities. We may be thoughts in a universal mind that dreams itself into existence through the mathematics of space and time. Primordial black holes formed in the universe's first fraction of a second might survive to the present day as dark matter candidates. These ancient gravitational wells could contain information about the universe's earliest moments encoded in their event horizons libraries of cosmic memory written in the language of curved spacetime. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is one bubble in an infinite foam of realities, each with its own physical laws and constants. If true, then existence itself is far stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine, an endless creative explosion where every possibility eventually finds expression somewhere in the vast landscape of potential realities. Consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe, like mass or electric charge, rather than an emergent phenomenon arising from complex arrangements of matter. If consciousness permeates reality at the quantum level, then the universe observes itself into existence through the collective awareness of all conscious beings across space and time. The cosmic horizon limits what we can observe, but it also defines what can observe us. Civilizations beyond our observable universe exist in regions of spacetime that are causally disconnected from our own. They inhabit universes that might as well be separate realities, yet they share the same underlying mathematical substrate that gives structure to existence itself. As expansion continues, galaxies will recede beyond each other's cosmic horizons, creating islands of isolation in an increasingly empty universe. Each galaxy cluster will become a separate universe unto itself, containing all the matter and energy its inhabitants will ever know. The cosmos fractures into infinite solitudes, each carrying forward the universe's memory into the endless dark. Yet even in that ultimate isolation, quantum entanglement will maintain instantaneous connections across the growing voids. The universe will remain a single, unified system despite the illusion of separation created by expanding space. In the end, we are all connected by threads of possibility that transcend distance, and time notes in a cosmic symphony that plays itself across the infinite canvas of existence. The greatest mystery of all may be why anything exists rather than nothing. The universe's existence is not mathematically necessary or logically inevitable, it is pure gift, pure surprise, pure wonder materialized from the void through mechanisms that exceed our capacity to comprehend. We are the universe's way of asking questions about itself, consciousness peering through human eyes at the cosmic mystery that dreamed us into being. In the end, we discover that we are not observers of the cosmic mystery, we are participants in it. Expressions of it, living embodiments of the universe's endless curiosity about its own nature. Every question we ask, every wonder we feel, every moment of awe that takes our breath away, is the cosmos experiencing its own magnificence through the fleeting gift of our awareness. The universe keeps its deepest secrets not because it is cruel, but because it is infinite, and infinity can never be fully contained within any finite understanding. No matter how sophisticated or complete our theories become, we are left with the beautiful recognition that mystery is not a problem to be solved, but a gift to be received, an endless source of wonder that makes existence itself the greatest adventure possible. And somewhere in the spaces between spaces, in dimensions that curl upon themselves, like cosmic DNA, the universe continues its eternal dance of creation and discovery, weaving new mysteries from the threads of possibility, while we watch in wonder from our small blue world, forever reaching toward truths that recede like horizons toward an infinite cosmic dawn.